How's your chip? Does it taste good? Those are veggie chips. You like them? You gonna drink your milk? Got some milk here too. Oh really? You're just enjoying your chip right now. Sure looks good. Oh, can Daddy have a bite of your chip? Can Daddy have some? Mama? Can Mama have some? Oh, you give some to Mama. What about Dada? Can Dada have some? Piece? No? Oh. Oh, thank you. Oh, you give it to Mama, not Dada?
Merci, Kenan. C'est pour toi, Kenan. Pour toi.
Sure wish I had one. Yeah, sure wish I had one. What are you pointing at? He wants a bean. Oh no, you want Mama's chip. Can I have it? Oh. Oh. Now you got two and Daddy has none. Yeah, that sure looks good. Sure looks good.